In this video, you will learn how to fix there was an error playing the video problem on WhatsApp. So let's start it. So first open WhatsApp, click on the three dot, now tap on the setting, click on the chats button, now scroll down, click on the chat backup. Now tap on backup to Google Drive and select daily. Now click on backup button. Now go back and open setting. Tap on apps and notification. Now click on WhatsApp. Tap on storage. Now clear cache and data. And go back, click on the permission. Enable the all permission. And go back, log in your WhatsApp account. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.